Yeah, hi. In today's video, we are going to be looking at an app called McMoney, and we're going to be doing a full review, and we're going to be finding out whether you can actually make money by just receiving text. So make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video, find out all about it, whether it is worth doing, and also whether it's obviously legit and all above board. We're going to go through everything you need to know, and we're going to start right now. Okay, so we come on to the McMoney website. As you can see here, it says earn money through receiving text messages. Get paid real money for helping us improve worldwide communication. And there's a download button here where you can actually download the McMoney app. That's basically what it says in the getting started bit here. It says you download the app on your phone, you proceed with the installation, register your phone number, and then receive texts and make the money. So if you want to obviously get started with this, you do need a referral code, and I'll be putting it up on the video here and also in the description below here as well. So make sure you check that out if you want to actually go and do this as well. But make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video. Find out all about it first before you go and obviously download anything. So the website hasn't got an awful lot on it. It just basically says there what is McMoney, and it's actually a company. It's a telecommunications company that does tests of whether your deliverability of texts throughout the world. So how you can actually earn, we're going to show you exactly inside the app very shortly. So like I say, make sure you stay tuned. Now the FAQs are quite a good thing to go through, because I know that what you're going to be seeing is it safe to use the McMoney app? Now, the McMoney app is developed and owned by and operated by CM.com. And if you want to check out more about CM.com, there is their address at the bottom of their website here. And if you put it into Google, this is what you obviously get. You get loads of different things coming up for McMoney. And then you go across and there's loads of business directories, that sort of thing, where they're actually got listings on there. And it says the actual site, the company started back in 2006 and was incorporated back in 2018. It's based in the Netherlands and it is a telecommunications company. Okay, so that all adds up to what they are actually saying. So loads of other things here that you can go through. It also tells you how you can actually go and earn your money and etc. But we're going to show you that very shortly. And we're going to go right inside the app and show you exactly how it actually works. Just a couple of things, couple of questions I want to go over before we do that. And we go on to the payments here, and it says, how can I withdraw my money? And it says here, once you've reached the threshold, a cash out or a donate button will appear in the start screen. Click on the cash out and enter your email address that is connected to your PayPal account. Now this is it, guys. You have to have a PayPal account in order to obviously receive your payouts here. So if you're in a country, unfortunately, that doesn't allow PayPal, unfortunately, you're not going to be able to use this app. But there are plenty of other ways that you can look on my YouTube channel about how you can actually earn money online. So maybe just dismiss this one and go and check out some more on my channel. It says the minimum cash out, the minimum amount to cash out is going to be different on each country. So we'll check out what mine is when we go inside the app. And if you want to know, like I say, more about the company, there is their address here. They've also got their terms and conditions, etc. And they have actually got a Facebook page, and they have got over 3,000 people like it, and 3,500 people actually follow this. There's not that much posted on the actual on the actual Facebook page, but when people have asked questions, they have answered the questions. So it looks as if they are active on the Facebook, but just not every single day. But if you had a query, you can definitely reach out to them via Facebook. Okay, so let's go and check out inside the app and find out exactly what it is all about. Okay, so as you can see here, we have landed on the app. We just literally just clicked it as you do on your phone. Opens up. As you can see here, I've got a balance of 61 cents and I've got a bonus of 102 in dollars. So that's a total of 163 in dollars so far. And it says at the top here, you've got just $4.39 before you can reach the $5 minimum balance required for payout. Okay. And it says obviously at the bottom here, I have received 7 texts so far, and thank you for helping us improve the SMS delivery worldwide. So, as you can see here, the balance is a minimum of $5. And what happens, what I said would happen, obviously, when you start to cash out, the bonus would be added to that figure. So whether you have to get to $5 before it will reach the payout and then the bonuses get added, I don't know. So we'll find out more as and when I use it more. But I wanted to get started and obviously show you this app because it seems to be pretty legit and an easy way, a sort of passive way to actually go and earn money. So if we click on the tab here, and it obviously says here the news, earnings, inbox, account, and referral. So referral is obviously a referral code, and as you can see, I've put that in the video here, and it's obviously again in there's a link in the description, and you can obviously use my referral code. And when you do that, you actually have to receive 5 texts. Once you've received 5 texts, you'll get that $1.02 bonus as well added to your account. So this is what the inbox. So this is what my inbox looks like, and as you can see, to us they're a little bit of gobbledygook because there's not an awful lot on the texts. But as you can see here, we don't get them every day, which is a little bit of a downside because obviously it will take you quite a while to obviously reach the payout threshold. So as you can see, this has been just over about 11 days, and I've received 7 texts within that time. So normally every couple of days I will receive a text, and I obviously received one yesterday. But once you've obviously received them, you can then just delete them from your phone. Okay, so we've got account there, we've got inbox, earnings, and news and referral. And that's about it, guys. That's all you really have got to do. Like I say, is just download it, open it up, and then obviously confirm your mobile address. And then you'll start getting texts through. So it really is very, very simple. I'll continue to obviously do this, and hopefully in the next video about this, I will be able to show you that we've actually pulled out to PayPal. But before we go, let's just quickly have a look at the McMoney app that's on Trustpilot. And as you can see, it's only had 12 reviews with 3.9, so it's pretty average really. But a lot of them are saying it's excellent, and a lot of them people are saying that it has actually, you can pay out. So make sure you check out this. But no, it all seems to be pretty legit, seems to be working. Obviously, let us know in the comments below if you've got any questions, and also whether you have actually earned money and pulled it out with McMoney. It'd be interesting to see. But definitely one worth just to download, and obviously all you're doing is receiving texts. So this is basically passive money that you're actually earning. You're not even having to do anything for it. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, now's the time to actually go and do that, and remember to hit the notification bell. You'll get notified every time we make a new video. Don't forget to watch this video next, and we will see you on the next video.